Are you tired of the constant financial struggle, yearning for a life of abundance and prosperity? Well, the solution lies in the ancient wisdom of Vastu. Vastu, the classical Indian science of architecture and design, offers a unique approach to attract wealth and achieve financial success. Known as Vastu for money, it's a potent tool that helps you tap into the boundless wealth that awaits you. By aligning your environment with positive energies, you can create a space that not only invites prosperity, but also multiplies it. Here's a step-by-step guide on how Vastu can boost your financial growth. Step 1. Declutter your space. A messy environment obstructs the flow of positive energy and impedes financial growth. Therefore, maintain a clean and organized living and working area. Step 2. Energize the wealth corner. Identify the southeast corner of your home or office and fill it with symbols of wealth like a money plant or a wealth bowl. This activates your wealth corner, attracting abundance. Step 3. Select the right colors. Colors can profoundly impact our emotions and energies. To attract wealth, incorporate vibrant shades of green, purple, and gold into your decor. Step 4. Improve energy flow. Keep your entrance clear and check for any broken or leaking faucets. These steps ensure a smooth flow of positive energy, leading to financial prosperity. By embracing these Vastu tips, you can create a harmonious and prosperous environment that serves as a magnet for wealth and financial abundance. Start your journey towards prosperity today. Implement Vastu for money and witness the dramatic shift in your financial life. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening Vastu tips and unlock the secrets to a prosperous life.